Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website backups with GoDaddy, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate website backups with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Products section. Locate the hosting account linked to your website. Click on Manage next to the hosting account. In the account settings, find the Backups section. Select Automated Backups from the available options. Enable automated backups by clicking on the toggle switch. Choose the frequency of the backups, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Set the time of day you want the backups to occur for optimal convenience. Decide whether to include databases in your backup settings. Review any additional options GoDaddy may offer for restoring backups. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save or Apply to confirm. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your automated backups are set up successfully. You now have a reliable backup system for your website. Regularly check your backups to ensure they are completing as scheduled. Make adjustments to your backup settings as your website grows or changes. This concludes the step-by-step guide for automating website backups with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.